Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix problem with not working and not responding touchscreen on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. First of all, if you have defensive screen or something like that, try to remove it. Also, you can try to clean the screen, like I am now. It may help you. If it doesn't help you, try to restart your pad. If it doesn't help you too, go to the settings, our tablet, press there, and check have you update or not the last version of your operation system. If your system do not update, that means that you have the latest version. And the last way to fix it, that's a button here, factory reset. Press erase all data, there your button, and press the factory reset. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press like button below the video. Goodbye.